Hello everybody. Today I have purchased a new windscreen for the Honda, the ADV150. And I have not seen this one yet. And from my research, I have found that if you order an XADV windscreen, that the hole pattern should line up exactly for an ADV150. So we're going to open this up right now. And this came from, I'll tell you after I go. Come on, let's open this thing. There it is. This is a National Cycle N20060 or 61 or 62, depending on the height you want. And I got the tallest one because my pre-measure, the Puig windscreen is 2 inches shorter than this one. So we're going to just pop this open, and I'm probably going to walk over there and change the camera angle so you can see when I line it up if it looks better or not before I even put it on. This is the National Cycle VStream windscreen. There's the standard warnings, things like that. I'm going to cut the camera, and then we're going to be looking directly at the bike when we look at this. All right, cutting back into the bike. So we're going to see what this looks like right on top of it. We're just going to set it right on top. The holes do not line up. So I'm going to have to fix that. And this is against my research. But I'm going to pick up the camera and show you where it's going to end up. Once I can hold this. Seems to be about where it'll be. So as you can see, the holes are not lining up. It's going to mean new holes. And definitely it looks like it's going to be a little bit taller. And we're going to put holes on that thing, and we will be back with you. Okay, welcome back. now that we've installed this, the procedure is done. This hole was just a little bit off on the inside, and I just kind of pushed it in there, and I think it'll hold fine. I don't think it'll cause any stress issues with this. Let's take the other one, put it in front, line up the holes. Let's actually put it backwards. So that here we can see the difference. This is about 2 inches taller, like I thought. This one's a little bit wider on the sides, but I think that with the VTech design, that it will vortex the air up and around rather than up and into my face is where it was going before. I'm going to button this up and then give it a little test ride, and I will report back. I almost forgot. Let's see what it looks like with it down. Okay, not bad. Might actually work on a down position. And let's put that up and then turn the wheel. Oh, so my mirror, because in the position it's in, hits that top. I don't think that'll prevent a lock issue. Let's see, can I lock it? Almost. So I think if I put it down, nope, definitely not. So if you have a mirror extender, you may not be able to lock this with this windscreen. I think without it, I think you'll be fine. All right, 30 miles an hour test. Seems good. I doubt you can hear me because I'm sure the wind is full blast. I just completed a test ride, and the wind coming into my face, me being 6 foot tall, was right around here. The separation was here. You could feel it up here, but not down here. And when I lowered the windshield, it was about here. So that's a good thing. I think this is a good windshield. So we'll give it some time and see how it performs over time. But I think it's pretty well worth it for, I think, $130. Bought it straight from whoever was selling it. So there's no sponsorships here. It is flimsier. It is, and I'll show you with the other windscreen again. The Puig, as you can see, this is the thickness on the this one here, and then we compare that to the Puig, and the Puig is a little bit thicker, and it's a lot more solid, where you're not going to get that wind shake. This one you can see the wind shake a lot more than you can on the Puig. But don't know if I want to keep it clear. I might smoke it. We'll see how it is. Other than that, it was a decent install. I think it'll work.